Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we have got something very exciting for you. If you are like me and always eyeing for the latest premium smartphone, but you hate the hassle of big upfront cost or those never ending EMIs, then stick around. Today we will be talking about much hyped BytePay and see how it compares with other platforms.
And thanks to BytePay for sponsoring this video.
So it's India's first phone subscription platform where you pay a monthly fee and decide after 12 months if you want to upgrade or keep it permanently, and get free device protection without any extra fee. So what makes BytePay stand out is their proprietary model that lets you pay for what you use. You can subscribe to own, meaning you get the premium smartphone on a monthly basis, and at the end you can upgrade or keep it. Great! Plus, they've got options for everyone. If subscriptions aren't your thing, go for the upfront purchase with 1 year insurance up to the assured buyback of 50% after 12 months and 35% after 24 months. And those in New Delhi or Bangalore, there's an easy, convenient pay on delivery option. How cool is that? The platform is perfect for India's aspirational Gen Z and millennials. Think students, young professionals, and even offline retailers who want flexible access to premium tech. These digitally savvy folks value affordability, convenience, sustainability, and BytePay nails all of that. It's designed to support a circular economy where technology is experienced, not just owned, keeping you financially agile in this digital world. At the helm of BytePay is Jayant Jha, serial entrepreneur and ex-Flipkart leader who's no stranger to shaking up the tech scene. Jayant co-founded Yantra in 2013, a B2B consumer commerce and repair platform for smartphone and electronics. Flipkart acquired Yantra in January 2022. So his hard work landed him on Forbes Asia's 30 under 30 list in retail and e-commerce in 2019. Awesome. He's been featured in Your Story, Aaj Tak, Silicon India, The Hindu, and he's a go-to speaker on circular consumption, tech innovation, and entrepreneurship. With BytePay, Jayant's building on that success to make premium tech affordable for people with big aspiration but limited access. It's all about empowering you to own, upgrade, and experience cutting-edge gadgets without strain. Whether you are a gamer like me needing the best specs or just someone who wants the latest without breaking the bank, BytePay has your back. So BytePay EMI for 24 months is 3,700 per month, including free device protection, free upgrade with assured 50% buyback value after 12 months. And Flipkart and Apple website, you have to pay 4,047 rupees per month plus 8,499 extra for insurance and no assured buyback. Now if you compare the price offered after 12 months, BytePay offers assured 50% buyback value while others offer less than 40%. If you take the example of iPhone 16, which was launched for 80,000 last year, but now they are offering only up to 32,000, and they also deduct amount for scratches and dents. Okay, and now let's bust some myths. Myth 1 is paying 44,000 a year is too expensive. Reality: phones depreciate over 55 to 60% in a year. Example: iPhone 16 bought for 80,000, resale value after 12 months is 32,000. With BytePay, you get flexibility, upgrade, return, or keep the phone option. Myth number 2: BytePay blocks my credit card unfairly. Reality: any EMI purchase, irrespective of where you buy your phone, blocks your credit card limit. It's your bank, not BytePay. Next myth: I am logged in for 24 months. Reality: BytePay lets you upgrade or exit after 12 months with assured buyback value, something no other platform offers. And the next myth is BytePay Secure isn't as good as Apple Care. Reality: BytePay secures 100% repair for accidental or liquid damage one time for just rupees 1 plus 1499, that is processing fees, for which Apple Care charges 8499 and processing fees of 8999 per claim. Most people never damage a phone twice in a year. Don't be that guy. So BytePay is super cost effective. And the next myth is on other platform there's 4,000 to 5,000 card discount, and if I apply that, the upfront price becomes same. How is BytePay better? So BytePay's 78,900 price is the final price for everyone, no matter how you pay: credit card, debit card, net banking, or even UPI. On other platform, that 4 to 5,000 discount is usually limited to specific card or banks. With BytePay, you get the best price, flexibility to pay your way, and 100% damage protection included. No conditions, no hidden terms. So if this sounds like your vibe, head over to BytePay's platform and check it out. Trust me, it's a game changer. Drop a like if you're excited about this subscription tech. Subscribe for more collabs and reviews.